In the rapidly evolving landscape of industrial design, protecting your creative work is more crucial than ever. Industrial design encompasses the unique visual appearance of products, ranging from innovative packaging to stylish consumer goods. Securing your design ensures that your products stand out in a crowded market, free from unauthorized copying. In the Philippines, understanding the fundamentals of industrial design protection can significantly enhance your brand's value and market presence. To begin with, it's essential to understand what industrial design entails. It protects the aesthetic aspects of products, including their shape, pattern, and color, that make them unique and visually appealing. These elements are not merely decorative. They play a pivotal role in consumer choice and brand identity. By protecting these features, you safeguard the distinctive visual qualities that differentiate your products from others. Eligibility criteria are a crucial aspect of protecting your industrial design in the Philippines. The design must be new or original, not previously disclosed to the public, and must relate to the appearance of an article. It should not be dictated solely by its function. Understanding these criteria ensures that your design meets the necessary requirements for registration, enhancing the chance of successful protection. The registration process, while straightforward, requires careful attention to detail. Filing an application with the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines, IPOPHL, involves several steps. Start by preparing a clear set of representation or drawings of the design, detailing all its features. Alongside this, a description of the design and its intended use is necessary. Once submitted, the application undergoes examination to ensure it meets all formal requirements. Navigating this process diligently is essential for securing your design rights. Accurate and comprehensive documentation is key to a successful registration. This includes detailed drawings or photographs of the design, a thorough description, and any other relevant information that supports the claim of originality. Proper documentation not only aids in the application process, but also serves as a vital reference in case of disputes, ensuring that your rights are well defended. Securing your industrial design offers numerous benefits. It provides legal protection against unauthorized copying or imitation, which can undermine your competitive edge and market share. Moreover, a registered design can enhance your brand's credibility and attract potential investors or partners. Enforcement of your design rights is equally important. Understanding the legal avenues and mechanisms available for addressing infringements ensures that your rights are effectively upheld. Despite the clear benefits, common challenges persist. Misconceptions about what constitutes protectable industrial design, difficulties in meeting documentation standards, and navigating the legal landscape are frequent hurdles. However, by staying informed and seeking expert guidance, these challenges can be managed effectively. Awareness and education are key to maximizing the protective power of industrial design registration, ensuring your innovative creations are well shielded in the competitive market.